Only balanced systems can provide the perfect indoor climate. HVAC systems must perform under high and low loads. Today, the customer demands more comfort with lower energy consumption. Modern problems cannot be solved with old technology. Danfoss provides new technology for the HVAC systems of the future. We have designed a new ABQM that delivers best-in-class reliability and lifetime performance. The performance of a valve can quickly deteriorate because of scaling. We have designed the new ABQM 4.0 that will perform perfectly even after years of intensive use. It has been tested extensively, showing accurate control for more than 10 years, despite scaling. The Novacon digital actuator and the ABQM 4.0 are the perfect combination for modern data-driven solutions. The Danfoss Novacon offers a direct connection to building management systems. This enables cloud solutions and continuous building optimization. We call this HVAC 4.0. Improved product specifications offer better performance and lower costs. ABQM 4.0 and Novacon are the best choice for high performance in smart buildings. They ensure superior comfort with low energy consumption.
ABQM 4.0 with Novacon is the future.
Danfoss is engineering HVAC 4.0 for smart buildings.